Good morning, beautiful girls. It's good to see you all this morning. Hey, it's Thursday, so get excited. Tomorrow's Friday, right? I have had some people ask me how I do my eyeshadow, so I'm going to show you. It's with these three brushes and all of this. No, just kidding. Just a few of these. Okay, so the first thing I do is I build a really easy foundation for everything else to set against. And for myself, I use a mixture of biscotti and hazelnut. And I put it all over my eyelid, from my eyebrows to my eyelashes. Okay? Biscotti, hazelnut, those two mixed. I put it everywhere, and this is just going to give you a nice, simple foundation to start with. Then you're going to build from there, right? Okay, so then the next thing that I do is I come in with my crease brush. Do you see how that is angled? So that you can put it on the crease very easily. And for my crease, this morning I'm using Dusty Rose, which is, again, just a nice matte finished color that's going to add some definition here. I have a lot of space between the crease of my eyelid and my eyebrows, so I need to add something there that gives that just a little bit of color. Everybody's eye shape is different, so you're going to want to, and I will help you figure this out, shoot me a message or comment here, and I will help you figure out how you need to apply your eyeshadow. For myself, I have hooded eyes, so I want everything to seem lifted and like I have more of an eyelid surface. But that's not the way everyone would do it, so don't follow exactly along what I do, okay? That could get you into trouble. So you're going to blend that out. I'm going to go back with the all over eyeshadow brush that I used to start with the biscotti and the hazelnut, and I'm going to just blend that all together so that it gives it a nice natural look. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take that same crease brush and I'm going to go into this golden mauve color. I'm terrible on a camera, I'm backwards. Okay, so this is a deeper color. Excuse me. And it is a little sparkly. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to go right here, which again, what I'm doing is increasing the space of what my eyelid would be, because again, hooded eyes, see, when I close, then it looks like that's down on my eyelid because I'm old and wrinkly and I have hooded eyes. Again, I would love to help you figure out how to make the most out of your eye shape and the challenges that you deal with. So please hit me up, put a message in this box and say help. And I will be more than happy to help you either virtually. We can do it with a Zoom, or we can do it in person. If you're close to me, I would love to do it in person. Okay, again, I'm going to take my all over brush and I'm going to blend. One thing about Mary Kay's eyeshadows, the Chroma Fusion, it lasts for 12 hours, guys, and it really does. It's an awesome product. The colors are $8 each, and you can put them in. You don't have to have this big old honkin' palette like I do. They have a little bitty tiny palette that holds 4 eyeshadows, so you can grab your favorites. Now, this is just kind of for fun, but I come in with a color that's called Cashmere Haze, and it's kind of a silvery color. And I put it on the outer part of my eyelid, just on the eyelid. You don't want to get it up into the golden mauve that you just put on the rest of your crease part. So you're going to put this Cashmere Haze. And again, depending on your skin coloring and your hair coloring and your eye coloring, you're not going to use these same colors that I use. And then I'm going to take a brush that we have that's called an eye smudger brush. And it is literally a little bitty tip. See that? And I'm going to come in with what we call smoky quartz. You always want to have, well, not always. There are some people's eye shapes that don't want to. But most generally, you're going to want to have a lighter inner corner. And don't be afraid to come over into here where you kind of have that dark shadow anyway, just from your nose. Does your nose ever get in the way? So you're going to do it just like that. And you're not going to want to smudge this one so much. You're going to want to kind of leave it like it is. Okay, these are pinks for today. Because that's what I'm wearing and it goes well with my blue eyes. Then you want to come here, and this is an all over powder brush, but it is good for so many things. And you want to brush out those edges so you don't have a sharp line there. See what I'm talking about? Now, I'm going to show you one more secret trick. If you're like me and you plucked your eyebrows too much in the 80s and 90s, and you're getting old and your eyebrows are getting kind of gray, I'm going to give you a super tip. If you don't want to, we have fabulous eyebrow products. We have a brow volumizer that is amazing. We have brow liners, but this is what I choose because it's a very much softer application. I go in with this matte color that's called Granite. It's this one right here. And I know that looks gray, right? But when you put it in your eyebrows, it gives you absolutely just the right amount of coloring into your eyebrows. Now, this little brush is called the Eyebrow Eyeliner brush, and you will see that on one end it has the brush, on the other end it has a little bitty tiny liner. So I go in with this Granite, I just touch up my eyebrows ever so slightly, but it's enough that it really frames your face out. It looks great. And then you take the brush end and you just brush it in, and you're done. Okay, all I got for you for today. I'm going to go now and finish the rest of my face and get ready to go to work. Please like this video. Please comment on this video. Really need you to participate in these videos so that I can keep doing them. Again, there's my look. Just for my eyes. I'll finish the rest of my face here in a minute. I hope you all have a fabulous Thursday, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.